Hi, welcome to this video. We're gonna guide you through how to get more views on Pinterest. To get more views on Pinterest, create high quality vertical pins weekly. Optimize pin titles and descriptions with relevant keywords. Right? Add the title, description, tag related topics, basically add keywords, and maintain a consistent pinning schedule using a scheduler. Right? Before publishing, you can just schedule your pin. Right? Utilize rich pins, focus on trending topics, and design eye-catching visuals to increase engagement and impressions. Right? So basically, that's it. If you want optimization tips, create multiple pins per URL. Don't just make one pin. Create several different designs for the same product or blog post. Ensure your pin titles are descriptive and prompt action, e.g. how to, DIY, etc. Plan content ahead of time for seasonal spikes, such as holidays or summer breaks, when engagement patterns shift. So, consider liking this video, subscribe, until next time, see you.